Welcome to Star Michos. Can I take your order?
Yes, I like a one Metrio, please.
I'm sorry, one Metrios. What?
Metrio coffee.
What exactly are you looking for? What's a Metrios coffee?
Greek coffee, Metrio.
Well, sorry, we don't have any Greek coffee. We have cappuccinos, frappuccinos, lattes, skim lattes.
What cappuccino, frappuccino, puccino και τα παπάρια του Carabella over here. You have frappuccino. I want a Greek coffee, Metrio.
We don't have Greek coffee.
What the hell you got it?
We have frappuccinos, cappuccinos, lattes.
And the sign it says Cafe Michos.
Yes, Cafe Michos.
Okay, where is Micho? I want to speak the Michos, please.
Michos is not here today.
Alright, Michos is Greek, no?
Yes, he's from Tripoli.
Alright, he's from Tripoli. He doesn't know how to make one Metro. He make puccinos και cappuccinos και τα παπάρια του Carabella over here.
We don't have Metrio, sir.
Would
you like a nice cappuccino today?
No, I don't want to know scata cappuccino.
Double shot on the house.
What double shot? I don't want a metaxa. I want a Metrio. I want a cafe. You know?
Look, sir. The line is growing. Could you just give us the order so we can go on?
The line is growing. My verga is growing. You're gonna catch it upside the head pretty soon. Άντε, τελείωνε. Come on, give me the goddamn Metrio. Και αυτό σου κολόπεδο.
Welcome to Star Michos. Can I take your order?
Yes, καλώς τον.
Oh my God, it's you again.
Yes, it's me again.
Please don't hit me again.
I'm not gonna hit you again unless you give me a reason.
Okay,
Alright.
I don't give you no reason.
Alright, you remember last time I came here, I ordered the Metrio and you say you don't have any Metrios?
Yeah, and I talked to Micho and I have everything for you right now to make you Metrio coffee anytime you want, sir.
Okay, I don't want a Metrio. It's hot outside, okay? I want a one frappe.
Frappuccino?
No frappuccino. No frappuccino. I'm not Italian tourist. Frappe, Greek iced coffee. Frappe, you got it?
No, but
You better say yes.
Oh, okay, I make it for you. Just tell me what you want in it.
Right.
How I make it and I fix it for you.
Alright, what is your shaker?
I have a blender. I don't have a shaker.
No, I don't like it in the blender. I don't like the taste of the blender.
Okay.
What is the shaker? Alright.
I find one for you.
Alright, find one for me because I'm gonna make a summertime in here. Καλοκαιρινό I'm gonna make the magazine. You understand me?
I completely understand.
Now, go to your blender. Put it inside two.
Okay. What you want me to put inside?
You're gonna put 2 spoonful of coffee. Which coffee you use? Let me see this.
Here, espresso.
Espresso. Re vlaka espresso. I say.
Oh, please, sir, don't hit me again.
Use
Don't
the
start
Greek
with this.
iced coffee. I'm gonna start with this.
I don't have.
Every time I come, you don't have it. This, you don't have it. The
It's
other
not
one.
my
Why
fault.
the sign says Star Michos outside?
It's Micho's fault. And
Michos, alright. Where is Micho? I want to speak the Micho this time. I'm not leaving unless I
can't
speak
put
the
up with
Micho.
this. Every time you come and ask for something we don't have in here, and I get punished. You beat up on me.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat up on you again. Where is the Michos? I beat up on him.
Micho is in Tripoli.
Alright, screw Tripoli and screw Michos too. Alright. I want a frappe and I'm not gonna leave unless you get the frappe.
I'm sorry, I have to go on break.
You're not going anywhere. You're not gonna go anywhere and break. You're gonna sit here and make the goddamn frappe. Όξινο.
Welcome to Star Michos. Can I take your order, please?
Hey, Barry, how are you?
Good. How are you?
How's the κεφάλι?
Excuse me, what?
How's the κεφάλι?
What's kefala?
How's your head, right, from the last time?
Oh, the one you beat me up.
Yeah.
Again and again.
The καρούμπαλα, they go away?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. I'm
Alright.
trying to recover. You're gonna be nice to me today. Can we be friends now?
That all depends on you, Barry.
What you like me to make you?
I like a
I
one,
make you happy customer.
one frappe και στα σάπια.
One frappe and what is this new sapia?
Leave the spoiled. Just make the frappe, alright, and I explain.
Okay, how you drink it?
Γλυκό μεγάλα. Γλυκό μεγάλα. Sweet with milk, right?
Oh, okay. How many sugar?
I say sweet. What do you think? How many sugar? 3 sugar you're gonna put inside.
All right, I make it for you right
Okay,
now.
Shake them
Hold
up.
hold
Go
on.
shake them up.
Here you go, sir.
Let me try this paparia. You make it. Oh, for one time it looks like you do something right. It's not bad.
Oh, thank you.
So where is Michos?
He's in Tripoli.
Tripoli, yeah?
He'll come back one day, I think.
Yeah? Alright. Το πάρω μετά.
What you do?
I take him later.
Oh, okay.
So anyway, it's pretty good coffee.
Thank you. Hey, you can't smoke in here.
For
Don't
me,
light her off.
papara I can smoke in here.
You can't smoke here. It's against policy.
Right here, sir, I can smoke.
You see this picture of Star Michos on the wall?
Yeah, so
Okay, and to the right you see say no smoking.
what? I don't give a shit what I say. I don't read English.
It's no excuse, sir. I tell you no smoking here.
Don't put your hands on my lighter.
I'm
Right.
sorry, but
Where is it?
every time you come in here and you try to do something that is against our policy, we make frappe for you, we make Greek coffee for you, now you want to smoke in here. You can't smoke in here.
Big deal, you make cafe for
Okay.
me and Greek coffee and frappe. This is a cafe, you're supposed to have this to begin with. And how come you can't smoke? What kind of cafe is this you can't smoke?
This is Star Mitsos Cafe. You cannot smoke here.
Star Paparias Cafe. Where is